Looking for a healthy breakfast recipe? You are in the right place. Try this Dal Dosa, which has 60 kilocalories per dosa, 3 grams of protein and nearly 2 grams of fiber, and gluten-free. Come, now I'll show you how to make this dosa. To the bowl, add 2 tablespoons of chana dal, add 2 tablespoons of green gram or moong dal, add 2 tablespoons of tur dal, add 2 tablespoons of groundnuts, add 3 tablespoons of instant rolled oats. Now add half tablespoon of fenugreek or methi seeds. Now add 2-3 cups of water and soak it for 8 hours. You can also soak this for overnight. Now after 8 hours, strain the water and transfer this into a mixing grinder. Add some amount of water and grind it. And transfer this batter to a bowl. Add some water. Now add half tablespoon of salt and mix it. Now our dosa batter is ready. Now make sure the tawa is heated up, but not the way too hot while pouring the batter. Keep the flame on low and spread the batter in the circular motion. Cook it for a minute. Now flip it to the other side and cook it. Now our dal dosa is ready. In this batter, you can nearly make 5 to 6 dosas. There you go, you have a perfect delicious dal dosa which is gluten-free, tasty and healthy. For more such recipes, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.